We're back again with another video of covering another Telegram bot. For this one, we're looking at Simple Coin. Now this one is very unique and very special. Aside from that, you can farm your own coin, Simple Coins, after you actually finish the duration of the farming each day, which is equivalent to 8 hours. You can actually spin the Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune can give you coins. Unfortunately, my internet is a little bit slow, so it's not fully showing. By spinning it, you actually get the chance to gain extra coins without you doing absolutely nothing. I'm gonna spin it. It gives you 4 spins after each cycle. There is also an option to invest. Now, the option of investing is by using the coins, the Simple Coins token that you actually collected by farming. And not only invest, you also have quests on the application. Now, if you go to earn, you'll be able to see your farming process. You'll be able to see how many hours or minutes are left before you can collect, and you have to click on it again and do the wheel. If you go to profile, you'll be able to actually see withdrawal. Now, withdrawal is unique that you can type the amount of withdrawal with a minimum and a maximum depending on how much you've collected. And after you've withdrawn, you're also going to need the Simple app. Simple app is what you're withdrawing to. Let's go and have a look at that Simple app after we actually have transferred our tokens to it. As soon as you open the Simple app, it shows you directly a pop-up message that's going to show, yeah, there it is, and you can collect your tokens. The good thing about it, they already passed the roadmap stages. Very soon, those tokens, those 14 million in my case, they can be converted into a completely different other token. Can be currency, can be money, and I think it's going to be USDT, probably. So farm and then transfer it to the app and then convert it. Now, if we're looking at the app actually has a number of amazing and interesting things. One of them is the prepaid card service, where you can actually purchase a prepaid card and use it for payments online. So that's one thing. The other thing is the ability to use Simple Earn, which gives you back daily and monthly. So I already have added just a small amount to test it. You can see the duration and the money and the APR available in front of you. The application supports a number of tokens, as you can see. And if we move to the next thing, you can actually get paid for your referrals. That is fantastic. Aside from that, if you go to the market section, you can get some juicy info on different currencies and meme coins in terms of buying it, selling it, the ability to see its price, the ability to see certain information related to the token or coin that you're looking at. And if we move to the next thing that we're going to be looking at in the application, it's the building blocks. Building blocks, it shows you the simple tokens, the stable coins, sorry. Now, next thing is the jar on the application. The jar is the ability to create a money jar, and your friends and other people can send money directly into your jar until your goal is completed. You pretty much can name it anything you want. Other thing the application offers is the news. You'll be able to see cryptocurrency news all on one application. So opening a jar, referral, and you get paid money, USDT, the ability to actually use the earn, Simple Earn, and the ability to transfer your simple tokens or simple coins directly into the application for when you want to actually exchange it in the future. Deposit wise, as you can see, it can accept deposits from Tron and other types of currencies, tokens pretty much, which is fantastic. Now, a most important thing, if you're actually going to transfer to it, you need to actually check if the earn function supports your token of transfer. You're just transferring it for no reason if you're gonna not use the earn. It does also allow you to add deposit by your card, which is fantastic. These are the tokens. Now, in terms of if you're looking at any of the tokens, you have the high yield saving, which is for 30 days, and then the full amount until you stop it will accumulate and then start a new cycle, or the simple savings. The high yield is different than the simple savings for the APR difference and also the ability to withdraw. So it will be pretty much locked if you go for the 30 days. We're leaving this small baby fruit to grow, and as soon as the cycle of the 30 days ends, it will start a new cycle. Before that, it cannot be withdrawn. So be careful because it locks the amount. So as you can see holistically how the app looks, it's very nice, very clean. Now let's go back to the simple coin. You pretty much all you need to do is continue to farm every single day, collect, and then use the Wheel of Fortune, do the quests that also give you tokens, simple tokens. As you can see, I did a bunch of quests over the duration of using the app. If you join, you will see that many of these quests haven't been completed in your case, so you will get lucky and be able to actually gain a large amount fast. And then of course the Wheel of Fortune. Now the last section is the auction, and I would really recommend you do not use the auction. You might lose a big portion of your tokens. The auction is simple. You're going to open one of the tokens and then you're going to select if the price is gonna go up or go down. Now by doing that, you'll actually be gambling part of your tokens in that process. And of course you're the one who's gonna select the amount that you want to gamble and select either the price is gonna increase or decrease. Both applications, which one of them is the Simple Coin bot, and the other one is the Simple Coin app. You can download that on the Google Play Store and the iOS Store. They go hand in hand to allow you to withdraw your tokens, send them to the application, wait until they allow us to convert it, and you're good to go. Now, keynotes. I would recommend that you start as fast as possible. All links are going to be in the description like always. Don't worry, you will find them. And start as fast as possible. Finish as much as possible of the quests as you can. Create an account on the Simple Coin app. You'll find it on the Google Store, and the links are going to be in the description. Start as soon as possible. You're not gonna lose anything. There is no money involved.